Use La Cimbali M23. It's an entry-level machine from La Cimbali machines portfolio. It's built for high quality, performance and reliability. It has a customized logo strip, LED push buttons, available in red, black and white color. Apart from the looks, the machine is built with 4800 watt heating element. With this powerful engine, it ensures the machine has enough steam and brewing capacity to handle heavy rush hours. It also has a stable thermosiphon system that maintains brewing stability, and this ensures that every customer gets the same quality in every cup. My colleague Armil, our head barista, is going to make a perfect shot espresso using our own specialty coffee beans.